guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're on a road trip. We're headed to Georgia. We're gonna go see the Hawaiian Chick-Fil-A, the one that has been all over TikTok. We have finally made it to this point. I took all my friends with me. We live in Florida, so it's about an 8.5 hour drive. So it's gonna take us a minute to get there. So tomorrow we're gonna go to Chick-Fil-A. We're gonna get there tonight at like 10:52 p.m. according to GPS. But yeah, I'll take you on our whole experience. It's gonna be a vibe. Say hi, Caitlin.
Oh, goodbye.
You want this in the video?
In the vlog now.
That was your intro. Sophia, we love you. You guys get to see my hands. Good morning. Okay, so right now we are in Atlanta. We got here last night around 11:30ish. We just stopped at an acai spot. Met some cool ass doctors. Hooked it up with the juice. Thank you guys.
Absolutely, it's our
Say hi to the vlog.
A lot of hospitality.
We love it.
Hey, welcome to the A. We got the squad from South Florida, fucking with that Chick-Fil-A Hawaiian house.
Yeah, we got to bust down.
Yes, that's it. So sweet potato fries, chicken, fish tacos, the whole nine. It's going down. Fuck with us.
Love the vlog.
Love the vlog. Tag us in the vlog. You gonna do that?
Yes. What?
A lot of fun PCs.
A lot of guys. If you're in Atlanta, make sure you go.
Get any back help? We got you, girl.
Get your back blown out. Okay, so these are acai bowls. I got a power bowl with some almond butter on top. She got a tropical bowl. Look how cute she is. Kaylin, what'd you get?
I got a little green juice and an acai bowl.
And Sophia, what'd you
I
get?
got the tropical bowl.
And I don't know where else we're gonna go, but I will take you along with us.
Sunflowers.
So we just stopped to go get some flowers. Are you making it up this cute? Oh, look at this cutie. Just picked up some cute flowers. Show us what you got.
Sunflowers, some roses. Love it.
Decline!
There's a police right there.
Okay guys, we made it to the Hawaiian Chick-Fil-A. The staff's in Hawaiian shirts. It's so cute. And I'm ready. Are we excited?
We're excited.
Okay, so this is the menu, and I think I'm gonna go with the pineapple chicken tacos with the sweet potato fries, and I want to get the tropical nuggets as well, because why not? And probably go with some bubble tea mango, of course. And I don't know. Okay, we're not the only crazy people. There's people from Alabama. Fuck it.
You're gonna leak their I got the pineapple something.
Frosted pineapple drink.
Frosted pineapple drink.
Okay, give us a first taste test before they bring our food, because that shit's melting. Okay, I'm gonna try this Hawaiian slushy pineapple. Mari's allergic, so I don't want to kill her, so I'm keeping it 6 feet apart, social distance.
Keep that thing away from me.
Okay, this, it literally tastes like a pina colada. I'm sorry you can't try this, but if you could, you'd be over the moon, because this shit is good. I should have got this. I got the boba tea, bubble tea, and I got the mango flavor, but it just doesn't taste right. Okay, I got chicken pineapple tacos, yum, sweet potato fries, maki tacos. Kim, what'd you get? Cod
Sandwich.
Okay.
I got the same thing as her.
Okay, taste test. Who wants to go first?
The fries are great.
The sweet potato fries?
Love the sweet potato fries.
Let's see.
So good.
Okay.
No, the sweet potato fries are best.
Agreed. I mean, they have like cinnamon.
Yeah.
Kinda, right?
They definitely have cinnamon.
Perfectly seasoned. We love it. Waffle fries, sweet potato fries, Chick-fil-A, sweet potato fries. Okay, the real question is, how do these tacos taste? Okay, these are good. There's low-key, the spice is a little bit spicy, but I dig it. It's not like overwhelming. It's good. 10 out of 10.
So I have a limited menu.
Yeah, she's allergic, so we gotta make sure that there's no pineapple. I can't tell your face right now. It's a little thick.
It's spicy. And it's a little thick, but it's good.
Thick as in, as what? Clarify the thickness.
The sauce and the fish. And then I have braces, so like the meat is a little thick.
Oh.
No, it's a little bit harder to chew on.
Understand. But it's actually really good.
My sandwich is good.
Did you get a cod sandwich?
Yeah,
She got the cod sandwich. What do you think?
it's honestly really good. I thought it was gonna be gross, but it was pretty good.
What's on it?
I think it has like coleslaw and
Is there
like
pineapple?
fish, but no, there's no pineapple.
Interesting. Okay, and I will check back with you when I finish eating my tacos. Okay, so I'm gonna try the tropical nuggets. They didn't give us a fork, and I'm not about to wait in the line for like another 30 minutes, so I guess we're gonna use our fingers. They look really good. Whatever focuses. Whatever. Let's see. Okay. Just hit the spot. It's kind of like orange chicken. I wish I could share with you, but I don't want you to die. And I love you, and I want us to make it home in one piece. Okay, so we're done eating. The food was really good. I 10 out of 10 recommend it, especially if you live in Georgia. Go try it out. They also have other Chick-fil-A's that are themed. I think they have. We saw the dwarf themed, and there's a retro diner themed. And they have, I guess they have more. I don't know, but go try it out. It was really good. 10 out of 10. They have merch if you wanna do that too. Any final thoughts?
I need to pee.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I guess I'll just end the vlog. So I'll just end the vlog here. The food was good. Hope you guys like this little vlog. We're about to drive 9 hours back home, so it's gonna be a long ass ride home. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Like this video, subscribe, and hold up. Okay guys, so I lied. We are not ending the vlog here. Look, we found the other retro diner Chick-fil-A, so we decided we're gonna go through the drive-thru and maybe order a milkshake if we want to wait in this 30-minute line. We have a long way to go home. Oh my god, we have a long way to go home. We're about to literally pull up.